Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for a vlog. I never vlog, but today I figured that I'd do a day in the life of a YouTuber kind of thing. Show you guys what I get up to on a daily basis, what my job is, how I get money into my bank account, that kind of deal. Today is a Friday. I have a whole list of stuff that I need to get done. And don't worry, this video is not going to be like, oh, my job is so stressful, YouTube is nowhere near as easy as people make it out to be, blah, blah, blah. At the end of the day, I have the best job in the world. I love my job so much. All I've ever wanted to be is self-employed, and I'm really glad that I'm doing it and I'm like getting my own income in. Can YouTube be stressful? Sure. I mean, you're in charge of getting your own income in, which is stressful enough, and people on the internet are generally dicks. But I love my job. I get to plan my work around my life rather than my life around my work. So if I want to go out for lunch with a friend, I can. If I want to go out tonight and have a lie-in tomorrow, I can. And that is kind of my favourite thing about my job. It doesn't dictate what I do with my social life. And my social life is really, really important to me. So today is a Friday. I've got a video I need to film. I've got a video that I need to finish editing and upload for tonight. I have got loads of research to do. I'm currently trying to get myself 2 weeks ahead. Because if I can get myself 2 weeks ahead on videos I've fully uploaded, then I think that will just relieve a lot of stress from what I do, because it's constantly always like on a Tuesday, like, right, at least get this done so I can be uploaded for tomorrow morning, because then I need to wait for my video to get demonetized and then remonetized, so the video always needs to be like uploaded early. Yeah, so today it's just about trying to get ahead of myself. I've got a yoga lesson at, I think it's 12:30, and then obviously I need to do my horse because, well, I need to keep him alive, and I do my horse every day, which isn't a regular YouTuber thing. I just have a horse. So first things first, it's currently 9:40. I'm really annoyed. I tried to get up really early this morning, but it just didn't happen. But it's 9:40, I've got my face on, and I'm about to film my first video. I might film 2 videos today, but I think I'm just gonna start with one and see how that goes. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. And I just filmed my first video. It took a lot longer than I wanted it to, because next door are doing their building work. They've been really quiet all week, but now, as soon as I get my camera out, they decide to start their banging. Like, I get it, they're builders, they got a job to do, but it's just very frustrating when I also have a job to do. It's so frustrating, it makes me so mad, and then I feel bad for being mad about it because I know they're just trying to do their job, but it has reduced me to tears on many occasions. So what should have been a really quick filming took about an hour, no, maybe 40 minutes, 45 minutes. So frustrating, very well. So now I need to pack all this away. I really need to tidy my room, but I just do not have time. I don't think that's really a priority for today, but it's really bugging me. Should I show you quickly? Messy. I know, it's really bad. I need to sort it out. I was like sorting out all my summer clothes, and now it's just, all my summer clothes are all just there. I don't really know what to do with them now. They're all like last year's summer clothes, so they're all too big for me. I went from a size 10 down to a size 8. But I don't want to get rid of them in case I gain weight again, so I'm not really sure what to do with it all, to be honest. But anyway, that's not a priority for today. Priority is getting my work done. I'm trying to get ahead of myself. So, what am I doing now? I actually have a list. I'll show you my list. So this notepad is actually from Side Designs. I'll link it down below. This is so handy. It's called the Daily Balance, and it just helps me like plan my days. I'm definitely a planner. I always have to have everything like organised, otherwise I can't get anything done. So this notepad is just the best because you can sort of like do it by times. I've already done the Florida vlog. I had to film like an outro for that. I filmed my video, which I scheduled until 11, but it's only 10:41, so I'm more ahead of myself than I thought. I now need to upload the Florida vlog. Then I got my yoga, and I'm going to try and do a 5k run. Research next week's mystery, which is very cryptic. Then I need to reply to comments on the video that's going up tonight. Then research a bit of my serial killer spotlight so I can get ahead of myself. My nail looks gross. That's just lipstick. I've got lipstick under my nail. It's not blood. Yeah, and these are all the things I want to do. I might try and get some stuff up on Depop as well if I have time, but I'm not going to like force myself to do that. My stomach just rumbled, so maybe that means I need to go make myself some breakfast. I forgot what state I left the lounge in last night, so seeing as I'm 20 minutes ahead of schedule, I'm just going to tidy all this up really quickly. I had a friend round and then I did my puzzle for a bit, so this is what we're dealing with. So let's really quickly tidy this up. I know my lounge isn't like the most fashionable lounge in the world, but it's really cozy. I really like it. We've got like my parents' old sofas from our old house and these big cushions. I don't know where they came from. I think they were in my sister's room, and then I decided to steal them one day because they look comfy. And then I can't even fold a blanket properly, apparently, but I don't really care. Like, I always feel funny about showing my flat on YouTube because everyone has like these like amazing interiors and this and that, but I just don't really have the money for like really nice furniture and stuff. So it's all just pretty much stuff from my parents' old house, but I like it. I love my lounge. I think it's really cozy and cute. But yeah, so now I need to get on with some work. I need to eat. Actually, I'm gonna make myself some toast and then I'm gonna get on with some work. I need to upload the vlog and get that sorted. And then maybe I might even have some time to start editing the video I just filmed, but we'll see. And welcome to my office. I don't have the luxury of sort of an office space. I used to do my work in my bedroom, but I found I couldn't sleep in my bedroom because I was constantly working in there. So now I do all of my work sat on the sofa in this exact spot with E4 on the TV all day, every day, just E4. I always have a candle burning, and right now I have my breakfast, which is Marmite on toast, because I love a bit of Marmite. So I just need to finish editing my Florida vlog, then I can get that uploaded. I need to do a thumbnail, then I might try and edit the video I've just filmed quickly before I go to my yoga class, and then this afternoon I have other stuff to do. So. Okay, now I need to get ready for yoga, so I need to take all this makeup off my face. Honestly, the only reason I ever wear makeup anymore is to film, and then I take it off pretty much straight after. I just don't feel the need to wear it in my everyday life. Like, I love doing makeup. I've just become a little bit lazy, and to be honest, my skin isn't no great at the moment, so I try and spend every moment I can without makeup on my face. So this morning I filmed my outro for my Florida vlog. I got next week's mystery filmed. I've fully edited and uploaded the Florida vlog now, and that's ready to go up. I've pretty much finished editing next week's mystery, which wasn't actually on my list to do today, but I had some spare time on my schedule, so I figured I'd get it done. Next week's mystery is a pretty short one, I'm not gonna lie, so you'll be seeing this on Monday. So Wednesday's mystery is a pretty short one, but I think it's kind of necessary for me to be able to like get ahead, so I needed to do a short one next week. And because I have my first mystery video, no, not mystery, history, I have my first history video going up next week as well, so that'll be like another big video I need to get up, so I just thought I'd just do a shorter mystery. One I've had on my list for ages but kept putting off because it was so short, there's not much to it. But it's kind of the perfect week to do it, so I'm glad I've got that done. Then this afternoon I just need to do all of my research for, not next week's mystery, the week after. And I actually just got my proofs through as well for my new merch, or not merch, that I'm selling, which is really exciting. So I need to like look at all the proofs, approve them, make sure they're all alright, and then get that all sent off. And they should be here in about 3 to 4 weeks, at which point I'll get all that sorted as well. So I am like feeling good today, like I'm on top of my game. I like it. Ready for yoga. Also, how cute is this little top? It's from Pink. I love it. I got it in the sale in New York. It's like $10. I love it. Right, I'm running late, so I need to go to yoga. God. I didn't do the 5k. It looks so sweaty. I went to my yoga class and then I did 2.5k on the treadmill, which I know isn't 5k, but I'm just really worn out. Like, the yoga class was more intense than it usually is, and my feet were hurting and I just couldn't run anymore. I got to 2.5 and I was like, I'm done, which isn't great considering I'm doing a 10k rough runner next week. Don't know how I'm going to cope with that, but we'll find out. It'll be fun. I'm doing it with friends. I am so sweaty and I am not a sweaty person usually, so. Oh, right, let's go home, grab something to eat and get on with work. Turns out there's not really too much to vlog when half your job just involves sitting on a sofa doing research. That's pretty much what my afternoon's been. It's now about 5 o'clock and I am headed out to the yard to do my horse. This is the most exciting part of the vlog for all you guys, because I know that you love seeing Danny. Loads of you asked me to do like Danny videos and like videos that's just him, but to be honest, he lives a pretty boring life. He just eats hay, eats grass and repeat. That's it really. There's not too much to show you, but don't worry, I'll include him in this vlog. Hello, mister. Have you ever seen such a cute little face though? Look at him. Danny. He's ignoring me because he wants to go outside. He's definitely a little bit grumpy today because he's been in all day and he knows the rest of the horses have been out. So he's very grumpy, but he's excited to be going out now. Look at those ears. Look at those ears. Don't you dare. Don't stop. Sometimes you could literally let him walk down to the field on his own and he would literally walk the entire way down. Other times all he'll do is munch like this. Come on. You're so close to the field. Yeah. Hello, mister. Right. Say please. Oh, good boy. Good boy. There you go then. Look how little he is. That's him just there compared to the rest of them. He's so little. He was not very happy today because he was in the stable all day instead of out in the sun, but it's alright. He's happy now. He's out with his grass. He's fine. Honestly, he's such a moody little git sometimes. But now I just need to do a stable and then head home, have a shower, because I'm then off to my friend's house. I'm hoping, if I'm like quick enough, I should be able to go home and do like half an hour more of work, because I don't know, I just want to get like the work I was meant to do this afternoon finished. The case I'm covering for like 2 weeks time, I thought I'd have it finished today, but it's just like the more I read into it, the crazier it's getting. So like there's just like a lot to cover. So I'm really out of breath. I'm so unfit just from walking up here. Yeah, so that is my aim for the rest of the evening. I'll keep you updated. Okay, so it's now the next day because I am, one, a horrible vlogger, but as I was driving home from the yard last night, I drove past my sister who's at the side of the road with a burst tyre, and I had to like help her out, help her deal with it all. She had to go back up the yard and do something, and she had to go get a phone charger because the phone was running out of charge, so I didn't actually end up getting home until like quite a lot later last night. And then I had to have a shower, my camera ran out, and then I had to go to my friend's house because I was already running like an hour and a half late to get to my friend's house. So I just didn't have time to finish the vlog last night, didn't get time to like finish off my work that I wanted to finish off, which means now it's Saturday morning. I'm gonna dedicate my morning today to get my work done. I'm really trying hard to like switch off at weekends a little bit more, because before I was just working constantly, but now I think now I'm like fully self-employed, it's healthier to just do it's healthier just to work Monday to Friday than actually like enjoy my weekends. But honestly, I'm so desperate to get ahead of myself at the moment that I just want to get my work finished. So I'm gonna sit in bed and sit with my laptop and just get some work done this morning so I can just spend the rest of the weekend chilling, and then next week won't be as stressful, is the aim. So that's what I'm gonna do. Sorry if I've got like morning voice. It's like 9:30, so I had a bit of a lie-in this morning. I don't know where my phone is. And I've just woken up and picked up my vlogging camera so I can vlog. So that is what I'm gonna do this morning. I suppose I should probably sign off my vlog. Thank you for watching. This is, oh, I just realised my camera didn't open properly. There you go. This has been a standard day in life. I know it's not the most interesting thing ever. It's not what every single YouTuber does for their time. Most YouTubers don't need to spend like hours of their week researching topics to talk about. But that is a day in the life of me as a YouTuber. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one, I suppose. Bye guys.